every blessing. Tune my heart to sing your grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of lightest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mind I'm fixed upon it, mind of thy redeeming love. Here I raise mine Ebenezer, hither by thy help I'm come, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to arrive at home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God, he to rescue me from danger interposed his precious blood. Oh, to grace high, great our debtor, daily I'm constrained to be. Let thy goodness like a fetter bind my wandering heart to thee. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it, prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, oh, take and see